Hey, it's Justin Kanoya, DJ, business coach, and idea sharer. And in this video, I'm here to talk about the Marquee DJ and Photo Booth Conference. Now, I attended this year's conference, which took place in the beautiful city of Chicago. Well, actually, the conference itself is in Schaumburg, a suburb of Chicago. And to be honest, I kind of liked it that way. So what did I like about Marquee? Well, it really comes down to three things, which coincidentally happen to be the three words in the show's tagline: inspire, learn, connect. How did I get inspired? What did I learn? And how did I connect? Well, let's start off by hearing from the show's founder, Casey Kokores.
But my goal is to create a show that has the best education, the best show floor in a tremendous, beautiful city like Chicago that is affordable for vendors, affordable for attendees, you know, and just, it's like everything. I want to build the WrestleMania of shows.
The WrestleMania of shows, which he kind of did, since this year the opening session included a keynote speech from former WCW World Heavyweight Champion Diamond Dallas Page. And that's actually where some of that inspiration comes from, whether it was from DDP telling stories about setting goals and believing in yourself to achieve them, or Chris D'Amico telling his story about turning heartbreaking tragedy into triumph. The speaker programming at Marquee was well balanced, with DJ-specific topics as well as general life-enriching content. And inspiration is also in the hallways, the dinner tables, and the bars, in the form of DJs, exhibitors, and other attendees.
It is just outstanding to be able to listen to some of the industry leaders to see how they broke into those services and how they manage their business and the different trends that are going on within the industry. So you get that all in a one-stop shop at the conference.
Inspiration also comes in the form of representation. Imagine being one of just a few female DJs in your market and attending a conference to see and be inspired by meeting other female DJs.
So not only was it inspiring to see the girls doing it when I first saw them, and now to be that person doing it, now I'm hoping other girls will want to do it and think like, oh, she's not the best DJ ever, but she did it. So it's a female community within a community, and we're all inclusive. Like, females aren't trying to, like, you know, gang up and like take off and do our own thing. We love being a part of what men are already a part of, and I think, you know, we all grow together within this community. So making friends and connecting with all the other females is so important while we're here, because there's a female DJ in this industry for everybody to learn something from, and I think women are coming out of their comfort zone. So, like, watch out. Who knows what's gonna, you know, happen next?
It's always great to be around other women, especially who are empowering and who support you, and it's just an amazing opportunity to kind of discuss with them privately, you know, amongst other males, exactly what we can do to be in a business that is so dominated by males.
Let's talk about learning. If there's one thing industry conferences promise, it's a slate of seminars to further educate its attendees. And like other DJ shows, Marquee delivered with an array of topics. I'd say most of those were focused on sales and marketing. Experts in this category included Alan Berg, Brian Bonacisi, and Eric Massengale. But of course, there was performance-based seminars too, like Chris Washburn talking about how he incorporates video into his events, and Rob Foray passing on his great knowledge when it comes to emceeing and commanding a room.
Yeah, this is my first time coming. I think it's a fun show. There's lots happening here, lots of DJs from Chicago. And I think it's always good for me and for any DJ to meet new people, be able to experience new things, and being able to take things from them as well.
Let's see, well, I started attending shows a few years ago and learned a lot from it. Definitely took what I learned from others, so that obviously inspired me to want to do more and give back, because so many people have given back to me and I've learned from. And I just felt like a lot of things that I was doing were things that people would find helpful.
There were also unique opportunities for attendees to sign up for masterclasses outside of the show's program seminars. These included a turntable scratching workshop with DJ Kubert, music programming with Dave Lander, and a sales mastermind with Alan Berg. And finally, let's talk about connections. While education is great, I do think it is the connections and networking that will always be at the heart of any industry conference. Even for me, being able to connect with someone that lives just 30 minutes from me, and also DJs from as far as Perth, Australia.
So it's really nice to be around a lot of people that are fully confident and believe in their business, and we want to take some of that back with us.
The opportunities to connect are everywhere, whether at the evening parties, impromptu dinners, and lucky for me, a surprise outing to Wrigley Field.
Turn it around just like that. Look at that. Whoa!
Not only do I encourage any DJ to attend the show, I can't imagine why any DJ that's local to the Chicago area would not attend. I mean, what an opportunity for anyone that lives within driving distance.
This is great, like to be in our hometown. I like having all the people coming from out of town in, and then just being able to represent. It's just a great time to learn, refresh, renew, and then just go right back out there and do what we do. So.
No, it's been great. I mean, honestly, this is something we need more of. I think networking, especially with your peers, trying to see where you stand. Also, just bouncing off ideas, which sometimes for all of us could get sometimes stale.
And I gotta say, even for me, being able to reconnect with friends I've seen at past shows and finally meet in real life with so many DJs that I've gotten to know through this channel was amazing.
I'm a huge fan of Justin's stuff online. When I got to meet him in person, that's also a cool thing about coming to a show like the Marquee is you get to see a lot of these people that you see online, and then to see them in person is awesome because you already almost feel like you know them, and you walk right up to them and get to say hi, and just seeing them in person is just a ton of fun.
So my recommendation, try and get to this show. It's a good one. In fact, I'll just let Casey tell you why.
I'm going to tell everyone, invest in a show. Not necessarily my show, but in a show, something geographically closer or somebody's show that you identify with stronger, if it's not mine, but get out there and get educated.
I really enjoyed my experience at Marquee. I recommend it and strongly urge all DJs to get to the conference website and register for 2023 right now. Well, at least after the video. So there you have it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel for more DJ content just like this. Thank you for watching. I'm DJ Justin Kanoya, and I'll see you either next time online or maybe at the next DJ conference.